Hello guys! In this video I am going to show you how to create a new trip in the Luxury Escapes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the My Trips button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the Create New Trip button. And then you just have to name your trip. It can be the city of your upcoming trip or anything. And then just click on the Save button. And as you can see at the upcoming section, it already appeared. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.